Assalamualaikum! Welcome to Nur Maki's kitchen. In this channel, I will introduce Japanese food recipes using halal ingredients. Today, I will show you how to cook tendon. Tendon is short for Tempura Donburi, which is a dish of rice topped with tempura and sweet sauce. Today, I'm going to share some tips on how to make tempura crispy even after a long time, and a homemade tempura sauce that goes great with tempura. These are the ingredients. Prepare the prawns. Remove the head and shell of the prawns. Leave the tail intact. Also, devein the back of the prawns. To avoid shrink the prawns, make 4 or 5 cuts on the belly side of the prawns. Use your fingers to snap prawns muscle to make it straight. You can hear and feel the fibers break off. Trim the tails, then use a knife to scrape the dirt and excess water from the remaining tail shell. This is to avoid the oil spread when deep frying. Remove the stem from the eggplant and cut them quarterly. Leave 1 to 1.5 cm at the top and make 5 vertical cuts. Cut the pumpkin into 5 mm thick slices. Cut the sweet potatoes into 7 mm thick slices. Scrape the okra on the cutting board with salt to remove okra hair. It becomes brightly colored and smooth. Trim the stem end. Cut off the tough parts. Now let's make tendon sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of water, 5 tablespoons of halal soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Simmer for 3 minutes to thicken the sauce. Let's prepare tempura batter mix. Prepare ice water in the bottom of the large bowl and stack it with a smaller bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 100 cc of water and mix well. Egg is usually used to make batter, but this tends to make tempura heavy. The reason the tempura doesn't get crispy is because of the gluten that comes from the flour when the water is mixed in. The oil in the mayonnaise prevents the development of gluten, which makes the tempura crispy. Add 100 grams of flour using a strainer and mix lightly. Don't over-mix. If the batter is too gooey, tempura will not be crispy. It's okay to leave some floury lumps in the batter. Pour enough oil into a pan. If there is not enough oil, the temperature of the oil will drop quickly when you add the ingredients. Ideal oil temperature for frying is around 170 degrees Celsius. Drop the batter. If it goes on the bottom of the pot and slowly comes up, the temperature is still low. If it comes right back up, it's ready to deep fry. Let's deep fry the vegetables. Pumpkin only takes about 3 minutes. Okra only takes about 2 minutes. Keep the oil clean. Sweet potato takes about 4 minutes. Eggplant takes about 3 minutes. Don't touch the eggplant too much because the butter peels off easily. Lastly, deep fry prawns. Prawn takes only 2 minutes. Don't fry prawns too much, it will lose its juiciness. This is a tempura that I made. Perfectly crispy tempura. Let's put them on the rice in the bowl. Eggplant, sweet potato, pumpkin, okra, and prawn. Serve with handmade tempura sauce. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video and see you soon!